The year is 2050 and you're out of business or unemployed because you didn't figure out AI marketing. Your friends did figure it out and now they run billion-dollar companies.
Hey bro, we should figure this AI marketing stuff or we're getting out of business. We're losing our jobs. AI marketing? Bro, I'm a much better marketer than those algorithms and chatbots. But wait, what the is AI marketing? I'm glad you asked. The best way to answer this question would be to go and ask AI. I mean, AI created AI marketing, right? Now let's go and ask ChatGPT. Come with me. Let me show you. Before I show you the definition of AI marketing, I have to say that I'm quite disappointed with what he said. This gender talk is making me confusing. Anyway, let me show the definition of AI marketing and what's wrong with it.
AI marketing is using artificial intelligence to automate and optimize marketing strategies. Basically, letting machines do the heavy lifting so you can get better results with less effort. It's the secret sauce behind smart ads, automated content, and data-driven decision-making.
The biggest problem I have with this definition is that it almost overhypes AI marketing. It seems like AI is this magical tool that can do pretty much anything. However, in reality, it has some limitations. Now let's go to Gemini AI and ask the same question. Let's see what he says, she says. Let me show you.
AI marketing essentially involves using artificial intelligence technologies to enhance and automate marketing processes.
Okay, I like this definition much better. However, there is one big problem. Whenever we use artificial intelligence, or this is at least how I feel like we're talking about intelligence superior to ours. Something that can perform beyond the human capabilities. However, this is not really the case. And let me show you the biggest problem that AI has right now, and it's related to AI marketing in a way. I've been using AI marketing for my career, my business, my life for the past 3 years non-stop. I mean every single day. I use it to create Facebook ads. I use it to come up with content ideas for my YouTube channel. I use it to write emails to clients. I use it to ask stupid questions that I cannot find the answers to anywhere on the internet. However, if I have to be honest with you, there is one thing that will ruin AI marketing, and I think this affects all of us. It's kind of like difficult to explain it, so I need to share a story.
Nico owns a coffee shop and uses AI to figure out which drinks will sell the best, but he never collected good data, so the AI tells him to stock up on iced coffee, even though winter is coming. Nico realizes that AI can only make a good decision if it has the right information, and without good data, AI won't work well. AI needs a lot of data, and here's why that's a huge problem. AI learns from past data, but if the data is bad, the results are bad. It can also be biased, meaning it might make unfair or wrong decisions. New privacy laws are making it harder to collect data, which limits AI's power, and that will be a bigger problem in the future.
So, AI needs a lot of data, right? And in itself, this causes another huge problem. And this is a problem that I don't see a lot of people talk about. And I think the author of Black Swan, Nassim Taleb, describes this problem the best. In a recent tweet, he said the following:
ChatGPT is a statistical representation of things found on the web, which will increasingly include its own input, directly and secondhand. You post something picked up from it, and it will use it to reinforce its own knowledge. Progressively, a self-licking lollipop. Enjoy AI.
Okay, so basically, Taleb is saying that ChatGPT is like a parrot that learned everything just by reading the internet. Now imagine that parrot starts writing its own stuff and then reads that too. It's just repeating and remixing what it already knows. It's kind of like a dog chasing its own tail, or as Nassim Taleb says, a self-licking lollipop, meaning it's going in circles and not creating anything new. Now, don't get me wrong, AI got a lot of problems. It's not perfect. It can make mistakes or sound weird if you don't know how to use it. But here's the flip side. If you know what you're doing, AI can be awesome. So this brings me to the big ass question. What the hell can you do with AI marketing? The most fascinating thing about AI marketing is that it allows you to clone yourself. Let me explain. In marketing, you have to write copy, shoot a video, talk to clients, set an email marketing campaign. My prediction is that in the future, you can use AI to clone yourself. So AI will complete all the tasks at the same time, multiple times, instead of you. This just seems like we're living in another world, and this is the most fascinating to me. You don't need to attend video meetings. AI will attend the meetings instead of you and send you the meeting notes after the meeting is over. You can use AI tools to create a virtual avatar that looks and speaks exactly like you, and with a click of a few buttons, you have the video ready, good to go. And that's why I made this video. In my channel, I would like to explore the possibilities of AI in marketing. What are your biggest questions about AI marketing? Let's discuss them in the comments below, and I'll try to make videos addressing some of the topics you would like me to talk about. And yeah, thank you for watching.